Hey guys, it's Justin and Naomi again. We're having a barbecue today. Pretty disgusting, so we'll get 100 likes for buying your barbecue. And yeah, just chilling with Naomi and Chase. We're at the Tully Falls. It should be, we thought it was going to be flowing just the other week, and now it's not at all. We're going to have a look around the area anyways. So yeah, that's if anyone's even watching it right now. I just had an idea while I was cooking the barbecue. And, those boys heaps of product reviews and stuff like that. But this thing's ancient. I've travelled everywhere with it, used it every day at home sometimes. Like 2 years. How many years now? 3 years. Yeah, for 3 years, and it's still perfect. It's Coleman Hyperflame. So easy to start. That's still, like, the igniter still works. Pretty sure it came with the gas cooker as well. Gas bottle. Yeah, so it looks disgusting, but it's been awesome the whole time and doesn't take up any room. Yeah, product review, I guess. But most of the time everyone's things are brand new, but you can tell that this has been used a lot. Right, we're just about to do the rainforest walk down the Tully Gorge. I think there's an infinity pool down there. Chase looks like the fellow fence hangover, I think. And there's the gorge there. Didn't take long before there was a creek crossing. Water. Pretty tropical here. Watch it. Proper jungle chase, hey? These things are nasty as. They're called Waterfall. And you get your shirt stuck on them, you're waiting a while trying to get the bloody thing off. And shred your skin too. Hurt like crazy when you step on the little ones. Yeah. Hopefully there's no stinging trees here too. We spotted a yowie. There it is. Let's go chase. Also the dam here, Coomballoomba Dam, I'm pretty sure it's called. It's at the back of Tully and right next to Ravensay. It's used to be classed as the best waterfall in Australia or Queensland, can't remember. Yeah, it just doesn't flow anymore because of the hydro station. It's pretty cool history back there too. I might add some up on the screen here. But yeah, I think it was made in World War I or World War II, one of them. But yeah, it's pretty important back then. Yeah, it generates a lot of electricity even now, I've heard, so it's pretty cool. Yeah. This is the end of the walk. I think the infinity pool is just over there on the rocks, but paddle through this water or something. It's pretty manky, so I ain't going to do that. So Naomi has to swim across there somewhere. Tully Falls Infinity Pool. All natural. So many waterfalls. I can see 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, just countless numbers of waterfalls here. I don't think the camera will do the view here just Man, that's dirty. Beautiful. It's starting to rain, so I might have to take off before these rocks start getting slippery. They freak me out.